Hello, and welcome to part 4 of our Getting Started with HPE GreenLake for Managed Service Providers series. In this session, we'll explore tagging, a simple yet powerful feature that helps you organize and manage resources more effectively. As an MSP, managing resources across multiple customers, locations, devices, and service subscriptions can get complex. With tagging, you can group and categorize resources by customer, project, compliance, or location, making it easier to manage, monitor, and report. Let's start with devices. Tags in GreenLake follow a simple key value format like region, US West, or environment staging. They are customizable and easy to implement, making them a flexible way to organize resources across teams, projects, or customers. Use tags like Customer Acme Corp to segment infrastructure across tenants or stages, or use Owner Analytics Team to track who's responsible. This becomes crucial for incident resolution, cost traceability, and smarter resource planning. When you're managing dozens or hundreds of devices, tags make searching, grouping, and reporting much faster. As an MSP, you might purchase device subscriptions specifically for a customer or department or even an entire industry vertical like healthcare or retail. Tagging helps you reflect that business context. For example, use customer Acme Core, department finance, or vertical healthcare to clearly indicate who or what the subscription supports. This makes it easier to allocate costs, track usage, and align with customer specific SLAs or compliance requirements. Specifically, when managing multiple subscriptions across a shared environment. Now we move to service subscriptions. While there isn't a direct use case for MSPs when it comes to tagging service subscriptions, if you also manage an enterprise workspace, tagging can still be helpful. For example, you might use tags like app SAP or project data lake to track what each service is supporting, helping with internal cost allocation or workload visibility. Tag locations to link devices and subscriptions under a specific tenant, like tenant customer A, location Bangalore, or customer A, Bangalore DC. This gives you a single view of everything the tenant uses right from the same page. You can also tag by priority, for example, priority critical, to focus support on high impact sites first. The tags page gives you a centralized view of all tags used across your environment, along with how many resources are assigned to each tag. It's a simple way to understand how your environment is organized and spot gaps or inconsistencies in tagging. As a managed service provider, visibility is everything, and HPE GreenLake's Tags API gives you exactly that. You can easily retrieve tags and explore how they are assigned across devices, subscriptions, and more, right from your automation tools or scripts. This is especially useful if you are generating custom dashboards, building audit reports, or integrating with external systems. You can check the GreenLake developer portal for the API endpoints. It has clear documentation to help you get started quickly. I'll give you a quick walkthrough of the portal and show how to retrieve tag data programmatically, making it easier for you to keep a pulse on resource usage and governance across your customers. With effective tagging, you get better control and visibility across your HPE GreenLake environment. Tags aren't just labels, they connect IT operations to business outcomes. Thanks for watching this video.